Good morning, boys and girls. To set up our notebook paper, remember that we are writing exactly what we wrote on our friendly letter template that you already did last week. And then today you are going to be transferring that to notebook paper in your very best handwriting so that way our friends can read it, right? So we're going to start by putting the date over here. Today is April, and you can spell out April or you can use the numbers. 29th, right? I don't know. No, 26th. 29th. 26th. 21. So 4-26-21. And then on this top line all the way to the left, we will write dear, and then your pen pal's name. Okay? Dear, your pen pal's name. And then if you have to write your X's to remember to skip lines, go ahead, make your X's. Okay? Write every other line just so that way your lines are a little bit more spaced out. Just makes it a little bit easier to write, or to read, I mean. And then when you're done, when we sign it to the right, which is different. So we'll put your pen pal, comma, and then your name. Okay, oh, easy. And then your name goes here. Your name goes here after your pen pal, and then dear, this is your pen pal's name. Okay, remember you want to write in your very best handwriting. You want to try to remember to skip lines. And then if you end up writing over the full page and you need to flip over, the only thing that you need to do when you flip over is to keep skipping lines like you did, and then remember to sign on the right side of the paper. Okay, I don't think any of you wrote that much, which is okay. That would be a lot to write. But just in case that you did happen to have to flip over, that is all that you would do, is you would just keep writing. Again, check your notes on Google Classroom real quick about your pen pal letter, and then you can start writing, okay? I would like to say that I would like these by Wednesday, but I will give you, I think on the schedule I set until Friday by the end of the day, and then at the end of the day I will check any folders. I will run the letters over to our 3rd grade class, and then we will wait for a response back from them. And then don't forget that if you do have 2 pen pal letters, to write both of your friends back, okay? If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.